It was December 12th, and we had a bunch of movement yesterday. I made my profit though, and I stopped trading. So I'm curious what it's gonna do today because we are inside of yesterday. Yesterday's low, yesterday's high, marked out by the orange and blue lines. Looks like Fed is gonna be talking right now. So there's a chance that the market could be choppy. If I see signs of it being thrown around too much by things outside of the technicals, I'll try to run away. I might enter a trade pre-market. We're holding 50% of this bar. Price is moving up.
Order filled.
So I think I'm gonna try that because it's holding 50% of that bar. Open can obviously rip me, but I think I'm gonna enter. We got 15 seconds until market open. We'll see if we can get a push down right at open. Alright, we got market open. Pushing to low of day. Broke low of day. Let's see, are we gonna keep going or are we gonna pull back? Delta is actually strong green, so yeah, it has fuel to be pushed down. I don't really like that fast move right there. Oh man, we might be getting some price action like that one day. So if I put my stop here, this was where I was thinking about putting my stop. I can still put my stop there and be like, that move never happened. But now we're pushing down, which I was trying to hold through the pullback. See if I can catch this move to the downside. But it has a huge wick. I move my stop, break even. Just in case here, because a big wick, a big pin bar right at open is normally a sign we're gonna go
Stop filled.
long. So only caught $1 out of that move. A little bit unfortunate.
Order filled.
That order was sort of delayed. Going in long now. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of lag. There's a lot of sellers that can squeeze out now, so see what happens. I really don't like that. Those quick little erratic moves.
Stop filled.
Like, this is still set up long, but
Order filled.
try it one more time. But this market's scaring me a little bit. price is moving up. Well, the delta is still pretty strong red. That's like gasoline on a fire, so we should... Delta actually just flipped positive now, so...
Stop filled.
Alright, up 79 bucks. This candle just closed strong green, but we're pushing down. We broke the very small microstructure by going past the wick.
Order filled.
And we just rejected 50% of this bar, so I'm gonna re-enter long. We're hitting VWAP.
Stop filled.
Jesus. What was that? Oh, I don't know what that was. But this constant flow of negative delta, they knew. So, depending on what's causing the delta to change, very much determines whether the market's correlated with it or if it likes to be divergent from it. It's very possible this constant flow of sellers knew something here. Nothing's come up on here yet.
Order filled.
I am gonna try this short. Whatever happened didn't seem very good. I don't know if we'll get a continuation of this. Wondering if I held this trade too long, like the one at open that I took, or if we're going to actually see the break of low of day again and actually get a continuation off of whatever caused that huge spike down. When price starts moving fast and the Ranko gets smoother, that's normally when I like to trail. And once we crack low of day, there we go. Here we go. Alright, we're getting the breakout. I've been trying to hold this pullback. Right now my stop is at the top of this candle that closed red here. So it's kind of like a fresh trade. Like if I got stopped out, I'd probably re-enter it. But I would first see if this green candle is going to reject the 50% of this candle. Which it looks like it might be.
Stop filled.
8 seconds in that bar. Okay, we're up 130. We're not quite at profit target.
Order filled.
Gonna go long here. We're going to at least push up to here. If it gets through that, then we can expect that zone. I could leave my target here, but we could possibly run past this.
Stop filled.
On my stop and profit just in case here.
Order filled.
We're gonna push that zone. Alright, boom, we pushed into it. Should I want to see it push up a little bit higher. But we're in a zone that could very easily reject.
Stop filled.
I rejected that zone. Could have pulled out a little bit of profit there. I might retest
Order
it one more
filled.
time. Retesting the zone.
Stop filled.
It's just difficult.
Order filled.
We could get through it. Trying it again, but this probably is not ideal. Because now my break even is right at that zone, so it needs to break the zone for me to profit now, or at least dip above it high enough. This was a bad trade. It's just trying to get into it. Yeah, we rejected this. Like, I knew we were against that zone and I took this anyways. So we're in between zones. So now this is sort of like, this is difficult trading because we're between zones. Okay, we held that 50% zone. Now we're against that other zone, which is my break even, which is very crappy positioning. It's a very difficult zone to get through. Which is why I was thinking about doing a profit target play there, but then I changed my mind for potentially more profit, but probably should have put my stop right here and just taken the small loss.
Stop filled.
What in the f was that? Okay. Good God. That sucker ran past my stop like it wasn't even there. Oh my God. I mean, I knew this thing was lagging. Now we're against that zone, but what the f was that? Oh, Next Funded has been so good with their data up until like today. Took a shitty trade, but come on, that was not good slippage. Come on now.
Order filled.
Alright, we're gonna try it. I'm biased towards the downside. I mean, we could just reject that zone. Or price could just blow completely past my stop and ignore it and just make me bomb my account. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully not. That was my bad for entering that trade. I've had a couple chances to actually exit the trade. I didn't exit it. Some of the loss was my fault, but but now we should get the fib swing down. Moving my stop down. See. Come on, push a little further. Super red bar on the 5-minute chart. Trailing down.
Stop filled.
Let's see here.
Order filled.
Enter one more time. I think this has a little bit more. Trailing my stop down. Taking some of this money.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. It's probably gonna go a little bit further. But I am over 200 bucks profit, which is my goal, so I am done trading. It was a little bit unpredictable at the start with some choppiness. And then we were hit with that really big fast move down. Then I got a little bit greedy on the long. I knew I shouldn't be in it, but I decided to hold it anyways. And I ended up taking a loss where it slipped me pretty bad. But I came back from my mistake and made 200 bucks. $222.2. Look at that move. We quit trading up there and it kept going. Can't get FOMO though. Found it's best when I walk away after I hit target. You keep trading, it's easy to make a mistake, and you might go up 500, 600, 1,000 bucks. If you don't walk away, eventually the market's going to go into a consolidation phase, and it's very easy to give back your money. So I actually like to leave a little bit of money on the table. If I can look at the market and be like, yeah, I could have made more money, then that's a good sign.